Okay, so what are we cooking up first?
So first, we're gonna put the bell peppers and onions. Actually, we're gonna slide over, put the bell peppers and onions, and we're gonna
I wanted
start
to
them.
help, but look, it's fine.
Oh yeah, no.
I'll just be over here.
We're gonna start them sautéing, and we're gonna also start our marinade as well.
Pink Himalayan sea salt.
To taste. Cayenne pepper to taste as well. Use some orange juice. So citrus lime marinade, that's what I like to do.
Nice. Okay, so we've got our peppers and onions. We've got our perfectly rested steak that's been sliced on the bias against the grain. Now what do we do?
So I would brush the flour tortilla with a little oil.
Brush with a little oil. What kind of cheese do you prefer?
I use both cheddar and jack.
Nice. Lovely. Now, check it out. Through the magic of television and our crack multi-person culinary team hiding in the other room, look, we have some that are perfectly cooked. Do you have one of these magic ovens?
Yes. Very simple, just add the tomato.
You want a
little bit
tip?
of onion.
Next time, put a little salt and lime on the onion and the jalapeno and let it set for a few minutes. It'll bleed out all of their natural juices.
Gotcha.
And it'll make it a little spicier, a little saucier.
Okay.
There you go.
I'll have to do that next time.
I gotta show him something. I can't show him basketball moves, that's for sure. I was terrible at basketball. Oh.